Hello my friends, today I have a nice geometrical problem for you. In this triangle, I need to find out the area of this rectangle. About the rectangle, area of rectangle is if I call one side, this smaller side as A and the bigger side as B, then area of this rectangle is production of A and B, A times B. So to solve this problem, we just need to know about A and B. But you have two triangles here. One of them is, they are right angles, 5 and 11 here. But how you can do this math problem? You should know a rule, a very important rule in geometrical cases. If you need to know about these rules or another rules, please subscribe my channel. I upload every week for you such these nice algebraic and geometrical problems. In this rule, if you have two parallel, these are parallel lines, and another line crossed this parallel at the same time, then similar angles are same. For example, if you call it alpha here, then similar one is here, which is alpha. And if this one is beta, this one is also beta. So if you have two parallel lines and one line cross each other, these ones, then similar angles are same. This one is very important rule to make everything easy for the problem. Now we can come back to this example. You know about these angles and the triangles here, and we have a rectangle here. Then you know this line, I mark it, is parallel to this line. Yeah? So, and this line is crossed over this. I can mark it. Maybe here you can find it better. I just continue this line and this line. And you can see this line and this line have a cross line here. Then, if you call this angle as alpha, then this angle is also alpha. And in another side, you have another line here. I can continue these lines here and these lines here. Two lines are parallel due to rectangle things here, and one same line is crossed these ones. So you have two another angles. I call it beta here, and the similar one is here, beta. So now you have two triangle here and triangle here, and three angles of them are similar. So these triangles are similar each other. I can draw these triangles separately here, which is here is right angle, okay, and this one, which is a bit smaller, I can draw them like this. Okay, this one presents this triangle and this one is the smaller one. Now I can write everything about it. This one is 11, yes, and this one here is 5. This one is alpha, alpha, beta, and beta. Okay, now you know from this rectangle, if this one is B, this one is also B. So for the biggest one, this one is B. And if this side is A, this one is also A. Okay, now everything is clear. Now you can write the comparison ratio for them. Corresponding triangles have the same ratio. Same ratio means, for example, 11 over A is equals to 5 over B, because this triangle have three sides, but the similar sides has their same ratio. 11 over A is equals to B over 5. Now, one tricky point is here. You can just have a cross multiplication. So A times B equals to 11 times 5, which is 55. And you know, A times B is the area. So this one is 55 is the last result and our result here. You can see, without calculating A and B separately, you find the area of this rectangle very easily just by knowing this comparison ratio and similar triangles. Please write me here your way. Maybe you have the easier way or different way here. Just write me your comments, your opinion, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to find a lot of interesting problems, as you know, in my channel and my another channel you can see. Thank you for your attention.